In this video, we'll show you how to quickly reduce the system data storage on your iPhone or iPad. So if you go to your iPhone storage menu and then scroll all the way down, you will see this system data option. If you tap on it, you won't get any option to clear it. It just says that this includes cache, logs and other system resources currently in use by the system. Thankfully, that is a trick that you can use to reduce the storage. So first, turn on the airplane mode on your iPhone. Now go back to the general settings menu, scroll down and then tap on date and time. Here you will need to turn off this set automatically toggle. Now set the date to the next year. So if it's 2026, set the date to 2027. So basically what you have to do is set your iPhone's date to 1 year in the future. Once you have done this, simply wait for a couple of minutes. After that, go back to the iPhone storage menu and then check the system data again. As you can see, it is reduced in my case. It's not reduced by a lot because it was already low on my iPhone. But I've seen some people reducing it by 20 to 30 gigabytes by using this simple trick. Once the system data storage is reduced, make sure to go into the date and time menu and then set the correct date from here as well. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.